Punksters, welcome to the house of Pookie. Guess what? I made sushi today. I am so excited. I'm hungry. You have no idea what kind of excitement I'm holding back. First, let me show you what I did. I made this. Okay, it's not real vibrant in color, but I'll explain as I eat. Don't be mad at me because I didn't buy chopsticks. I didn't have any on hand. Here's my drink, my Perrier. I almost did like a strawberry lemonade, but I think that just won't go quite well with the sushi. I'm gonna eat with my hands today. So as not to insult you guys, Kikkoman, my favorite. Chloe says hello, everyone. So if you are so inclined to say hello back, I'll let her know. How is everybody doing? I hope great. Okay, so let me eat and explain. Put this over here so you can see it. So I was like, man, this low carb thing sucks. Let me kind of show you this one. I know you're probably gonna think it's gross, but it's cauliflower rice with some soy sauce seasoning and avocado, cream cheese. This particular one has salmon in it. So yeah, so keyword being cauliflower rice there. Okay, I'm gonna be for real. It doesn't taste much different, the cauliflower rice versus the regular rice. Not bad, not bad at all. This satisfies my urge for sushi. It sure does. So, I did a couple of things. I bought salmon and I mixed that with mayonnaise and a spicy sauce like sriracha to give it a spicy salmon, spicy salmon roll. I couldn't find the salmon that you slice and put on top. And then I put that in some of these with avocado, cream cheese, and cucumber. That's pretty good. Some of them, I didn't put any cauliflower rice and all. Like you'll see this one. This one has the salmon, spicy salmon with avocado and cream cheese. And I wrapped it in a cucumber skin. Basically cut it real thin. That one is good. Shona. That one just looks more fancy, you know? I went to the store and bought the avocado and the cucumber. I already had everything else. Well, I was gonna get seaweed because I didn't think I had any. And they don't sell it in this little town. So fortunately, I had some in my pantry. That works for me. I bought some seaweed with the intention of making sushi because I have sticky rice. But that day came and went. I got too lazy. So I kind of documented how I made these with my poor video skills. This one I just put the mixture on top of it, just kind of like a garnish, kind of silly, I don't know. Anyway, that video showing how I put it together, I still have to edit that and put it up, but it's going to go up on my other channel, which will be my other channel. Link is down in the description. Normally, when I eat sushi, two of the rolls are good. I think when I make 3 rolls, jeez. I wanted to pig out, like, you know how it is, ladies? I'm just kind of like, someone's getting at me, like, I'm like, I just can't get enough food. My battery is dying. I knew I should have charged it while I was cooking, but I didn't want to. I needed it for the cooking stuff. Here comes a burp. Close your ears if you don't want to hear it. Excuse me. I mean, this isn't too bad. It's not real vibrant in color. I think it's that cauliflower rice is probably why. Well, it's not those cauliflower rice, it's because I mixed it with soy sauce. I took the bright white stuff away. Here's the other one of those. My cat, Chloe, is sitting in the chair across from me. And I can see her head looking over the table. She's just spying. She probably wants that salmon. I just had to get a kitchen towel because I knew I was going to be using my hands, so. As far as low carb goes, this is great. I think the seaweed, it's 2 or 3 carbs, maybe 1 for 2 sheets. And I only had 3 sheets I used here. So whatever's in the cucumber and avocado, the cream cheese, there's probably not a lot in that. This is good. Even if I do say so myself. I'm getting full. I weighed myself yesterday. And I was up like 1.5 pounds. I ate a little more of those low carb bars than I should have. So up 1.5 in 1 week. There's also a lot of weight for water that's going down. I do know that much. Oh, boom. Push through them because I don't want to wait and eat this tomorrow. You should only make what you know you can eat. Unless you plan on throwing it away. Excuse me. So I don't know if you can see, like on the edge over here is the salmon, and then just on the inside is the rice. Okay. The cauliflower rice, and then there's the cream cheese and avocado. And all these have pretty much the same thing in every one of them. Some of them I put that spicy salmon on it. Excuse me, and some I didn't. I set the salmon aside. So, and some of them, instead of using the spicy salmon mixture that I mixed with the mayo, I just did the salmon itself, just the salmon. So I'm kind of spiced it up or change it up a little bit. But this hit the spot. My craving is satisfied with the capital S little addify. How do we get a song stuck in your head? I heard that song by Chris Isaac, Wicked Games. And now it's in my head. I thought this would take me a while. My other two videos I just uploaded, they were a lot longer. This one so far, not even 12 minutes. Dang. No story time today, pretty much. Other than I had a craving, this is what I did. 3 more pieces. This one just fell apart. I'm gonna eat it like that. Oh yeah. This totally hit the spot. This is exactly what I needed. I was sad when I didn't see that seaweed. I thought if I come home and I don't see that in my pantry, I'm gonna be disappointed. And there it was. I had seaweed, rice paper, and vermicelli noodles. The intention was to do some sushi rolls, but also a little bit of Vietnamese food, which I love. I love Vietnamese food. This is it. Last piece. Boom. And boom. You have to have a sharp knife to cut this stuff up, or it'll squish and be stupid. I don't have a single sharp knife in my house, but I have one of those little posts that are metal where you're supposed to sharpen your knife, and I did it, and I was like, dang, it worked. I didn't know it would. Go figure, all this time I've been like hacksawing meat and stuff. Because I never had a sharp knife. Y'all, ooh, I almost spilled. This is a quick video, but I ate fast. My battery's kind of running down. I got a mess to clean up in there. God, now I'm so full. Excuse me. This is a good full though. No idea how many carbs in this, but I'm happy to say that it's not a lot. There's a lot. There's one for a tablespoon, so I kind of use that sparingly. Okay, guys. thanks again for stopping to watch, and I hope you haven't given up on me yet. And if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate if you did so. Like the video and please comment, because you know I will reply to them all. So thanks a lot, and I will see you in my next video, whenever that is. Bye, y'all.